yun. Liga dito. How about this one? This one, no? See?
Baba number 6.
Yeah. Ayun sila, nagtakbuhan na sila lahat.
Yeah.
Sandali.
This scared me.
Scared you.
Yeah. Wait lang.
See it, you. You like it? These are good. Oh, ganda.
There's too many.
Ang ganda ng profile niya, oh.
Really?
Takot ka na. Crocodile. Hello, crocodile.
That is messy.
Resting? Resting pala. Ayun, oh. Crocodile, nagre-resting. Resting pala yun. Wow, crocodile. Pag nagre-resting sila, wag ka maingay. This is the Philippine saltwater crocodile. Ating Philippine saltwater. Wow! Crocodile, high yellow crocodile propros. Ayun, ang laki, oh. Ayun na, Travis, ang laki, oh. Tignan mo, may mga spot pa. Ayun na, Travis, oh. Look. Ang laki, oh. Diba? Wag. Sige, magpika na dyan. Mag-ingat ka, Travis. Baka yung totoy mo kainin. Naku, lagot ka. Crocodile. Very big.
Crocodile.
That's a very big. Siguro yan ay mga 9 feet or 10 feet. 10 feet na crocodile. Laki, oh. Ang laki. Oh, so big.
Dan! Dan,
Oh,
Daddy!
Takot ka na?
Dan,
A child can fit here and fall down. Yan ang gusto ko. Close up ka, Soy. Ayun, oh, ganda, oh. Alam niyo ba, swerte niyo dahil nakikita niyo pa yan.
Stop!
Wow. Ito, birds?
What's up?
Dangerous because that's a dinosaur. At ano ba, babae? Oh, ganon. Malaki yung ano. Hello. Cold water. Can you hit the lion? Hit the lion? Big. Bird. Ostrich nga yan. Ang laki, oh. Ostrich, oh. Not a penguin. Ostrich nga. Yeah. Oh, tall, oh. Very tall. Tignan mo siya, no? Hindi mo siya ma-appreciate sa cellphone. Look at how big that foot, oh. Parang tayo sa bird, oh. Limar to, limar. Birds tayo. yan ah. Uy, ano yan? Ayan yung baboy. Yung may mahabang tenga.
Quiet.
Look. Look.
This one I want to see. This one.
Look. Look. Look.
Hush. Quiet. Quiet.
Look.
You're sleeping.
Sleeping pala sila eh. Oh, nakita ko na yung face niya.
Daddy.
Dali.
Look.
Hello.
Dad.
Hello, piggy boy. Wow. Ayan, oh. Freshwater turtle. Ganito pala, lumalaki pala ito ng ganito kalaki. Lumalaki pala sila ng ganyan.
Show me one.
Oh, dalawa. Wow.
I want that. Dad.
Yeah, I see them.
Look. Look in the ground.
Whoa.
There's
There's another one over there. Yes, I see it.
air bubbles.
Yeah. You see, that's the snapping turtle.
It's,
look at the face, oh.
it's moving.
Yeah, that's his face.
Very old.
Let's go.
We have to wait. Yes, here.
Hindi ganito kadami to sa sa Singapore.
Ako, dito madami.
Oh, look at the body. The body is there.
Ito ang
Ay, ang dami oh.
Lord! Look that!
Ano, Lord?
Ayun pala oh. Bulag na siya. Ang dami pala nila oh.
Parang ang dumi.
Ano ka ba? Diyan nga sila nabubuhay. Muna ako. Scared ako.
Careful, slippery ah.
Daddy, there's an other.
Yeah, that's the Black Panther.
Ayun o, ayun, sarap pulos.
Ayun na pala oh. You see?
Baka may kain.
Laki oh. Ay, pilay siya. Pilay. Pakain pa rin ng tao yan. Napilay siya.
Alam mo yung basketball TV? That's the character at nasira yung
Anong kausapin? Diba? Usap lang tayo ah. Usap lang. Ayun siya oh, sa taas oh. Kita mo? Ayun oh. Stop shouting. Dito sa lamin ha. Tatakot ako. Savannah. What's this? Flamingo.
This is that.
Oh.
This is that. That tiger bone.
Tiger bone?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Divide.
No, it's a bull. It's a bull.
Bull dad.
Yeah, it's a bull.
Did somebody eat him? It is.
Yeah. Huwag kayo lalapit dyan ha.
Ayan, parang puso.
Malaki
Ay,
yan.
grabe ka mo.
Bobcat yan.
Kasi yan dyan.
Di, yung bobcat na yan, kumakain ng tao yan. Kita mo kung paano tumingin.
United
Hello,
States
Bobcat.
yan?
Sabi nila, ang bobcat daw parang, yan daw bobcat, related yan sa, saber-tooth cat. Yan o. Lapit ka. Ayan o. Pakita kayo sa camera. Para makita. Yeah, I can see you. Yeah. Maiksi. Diba?
Kakainin ka lang dito.
It eats people. See? Kita mo?
Dad.
Okay, reaction.
Dad. Dad.
See yourself. See?